Hey there, welcome to our video. Today, we're going to explore some of the most fascinating facts that you probably didn't know about. From the mysteries of the universe to the incredible feats of human achievements, we'll take you on a journey that will leave you amazed and wondering. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn something new with us. Let's get started. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that like button and press the bell icon. The first one. The Great Barrier Reef is not a single entity, but rather a vast network of over 2,900 individual coral reefs and 900 islands. Hey guys, did you know that the Great Barrier Reef isn't actually just one big coral reef? In fact, it's made up of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands, making it the largest coral reef system in the world. These reefs are home to an incredibly diverse range of marine life, including thousands of different fish species, sharks, turtles, and more. Unfortunately, the Great Barrier Reef is under threat from climate change and human activity, so it's important that we do what we can to protect this amazing natural wonder. Second fact. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Hey everyone, did you know that octopuses are pretty different from us humans? For one thing, they have 3 hearts instead of just 1. 2 of their hearts pump blood through their gills, while the third heart circulates blood through their body. And get this, their blood is actually blue, not red like ours. This is because it contains a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin instead of the iron-rich hemoglobin found in our blood. Pretty cool, huh? Third fact. The longest word in the English language has 189,819 letters and would take more than 3 hours to pronounce. Hey guys, did you know that the longest word in the English language is so long, it would take over 3 hours to say out loud? The word is actually a chemical name for a protein called titin, and it has a whopping 189,819 letters. Now, I'm not going to try to pronounce the whole thing for you, but let's just say that it's a mouthful. It's not a word you're likely to encounter in everyday life, but it's still pretty fascinating to know that it exists. Fourth fact. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Hey everyone, did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? And let's be honest, it's a pretty fitting name. With their bright pink feathers and distinctive posture, flamingos are definitely one of the more flamboyant birds out there. Flamingos are social animals and often gather in large flocks, so the next time you see a bunch of them hanging out together, you can impress your friends with your knowledge of their collective noun. Fifth fact. The world's largest snowflake on record measured 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. Hey guys, did you know that the world's largest snowflake on record was absolutely massive? It measured a whopping 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick, which is about the size of a large pizza. Now, most snowflakes aren't anywhere near that big. In fact, the average snowflake is only a few millimeters across. But every once in a while, the right combination of atmospheric conditions can create some truly impressive snowflakes. Sixth fact. The shortest war in history was between the countries of Zanzibar and England, lasting just 38 minutes. Hey everyone, did you know that the shortest war in history was over almost as soon as it began? It was between the countries of Zanzibar and England, and it lasted just 38 minutes. The war was sparked by a dispute over who would succeed the Sultan of Zanzibar, and the British Navy quickly defeated the smaller Zanzibari fleet. By the time the war was over, around 500 Zanzibaris and just 1 British sailor had been killed. It may have been short, but it's still a pretty fascinating piece of history. Seventh fact. Humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas. Hey guys, did you know that we actually share quite a bit of our DNA with other living things? For example, did you know that we share about 50% of our DNA with bananas? It's true. While bananas may look pretty different from us on the outside, on a genetic level we have quite a bit in common. In fact, we share a surprising amount of our DNA with all kinds of living things, from plants to animals to bacteria. It just goes to show that even though we may seem different on the surface, we're all connected in some way. 8th fact. A cockroach can live for several weeks without its head. Hey everyone, did you know that cockroaches are some of the hardiest creatures on the planet? In fact, they can even survive for several weeks without their heads. This is because they have a decentralized nervous system, which means that their organs and bodily functions don't rely on their brain the way ours do. Of course, even without a head, a cockroach will eventually die of thirst or hunger, but it's still pretty impressive that they can survive for even a short time without one. 9th fact. The world's smallest mammal is the bumblebee bat, which weighs less than a penny. Hey guys, did you know that the world's smallest mammal is so tiny, it weighs less than a penny? It's called the bumblebee bat, and it's found in Thailand and Myanmar. These little bats are only about an inch long and weigh just a few grams, which is less than the weight of a single penny. They're also incredibly cute, with fluffy brown fur and little bat ears. It just goes to show that sometimes, big things really do come in small packages. 10th fact. The world's largest living organism is a fungus called Armillaria ostoi, which covers over 2,200 acres in Oregon. Hey everyone, did you know that the largest living organism on the planet isn't an animal or a plant, but actually a fungus? It's called Armillaria ostoi, and it covers over 2,200 acres in Oregon. This massive fungus is made up of millions of individual fungal strands called mycelia, which spread out underground and can live for thousands of years. While you might not be able to see it from the surface, this giant fungus is a pretty incredible reminder of just how vast and complex the natural world can be. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts that you probably never learned in school. From the world's largest living organism to the incredible resilience of cockroaches, these facts remind us that the natural world is full of surprises and wonder. I hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible facts today, and maybe even inspired you to do some more research on your own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts and fascinating discoveries.